saw these videos of basically, koalas being burned up and people trying to rescue koalas. And as soon as I saw it, I was just like, oh, I'm not going back to California. I guess I'm going to Australia because, I knew that my infrared drone could save countless number of koalas.
Drones are sort of a next level way of quickly finding koalas across hectares of bush. And as the cost curve comes down for the equipment and the technology improves so we can search for drones day and night accurately, we'll be able to find more and more koalas in the bush.
It's reality that in 30 years we may not have koalas, and our future generations need to be able to have that. So if anything, it was a kick in the bum. Let's get into action and save these guys.